Hello everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn about the if controller in JMeter. It helps you run parts of your test only when a certain condition is true. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser. In this tutorial, we will use this example. As you can view, if we hit this API, we are getting 200 response code and this records in the response. This is the server name and the path. Copy this complete URL, open JMeter, add thread group here, right click on test plan thread and then click on thread group. In the thread group, enter the number of threads, ramp up periods and loop count. Add sampler and then click on HTTP request. Now enter the protocol here. Protocol is HTTPS and then select this HTTP request is get. As you can view here, this is get API. So here select get and then enter the server name and path. reqres.in. This is the server name. Enter here. Remove from path here. Now enter the server name. After server name, we need to enter the path. Enter path here. Now add the listener here for view result. Right click on thread group, add listener and then click on view result tree. HTTPS is the protocol, reqres.in server name and then enter the path. Let's run the test. It will ask for you to save your test plan before running it. Click on yes. Enter here. File name here. If controller underscore sample.jmx. Click on save. Now we are getting response message okay. Response code 200 in the response data. We are getting the record. We can select here JSON. Here we are getting multiple records in the response. Now this scenario here, we will add another request here. Before adding the request, add here if controller. Right click here, logic controller and then click on if controller. Inside this if controller, we will add another request and add condition. If the condition is true, then execute the second request. If controller sampler and then HTTP request. Remove from here tree, we will add after click on yes. Now add here user defined variables. In this we will add the variable name is run second, set value here yes. Now inside this if controller, we will add condition here dollar bracket underscore groovy round bracket was dot get. Now enter the variable name. We can move here. Variable name is run second. We will enter variable name first here. Run second round bracket is equal to yes. Then execute the second request and then bracket here. Now add the listener here for view the result, right click, add view result. Inside this, we need to add another request. HTTPS is the protocol, and then enter the server name. Enter server name here. Now, in the second request, we will enter another request. Suppose we want to get only single record. So here we need to enter this path. Enter path here. Now, we can run the test. In if controller, we set if the run second equal yes, then execute this second request. In the user defined variable, we set run second is equal to yes. Let's clear all the result. Again, run the test. Yes, the request executed successfully. As you can view in the response data, in first request, we are getting multiple records. We can format here JSON. In the second request, we are getting only one record. Now, change the condition here. Run second is equal to no. But here we define run second is equal to yes. It means now only one request will be executed because the condition is false. Clear all the result and again run the test. Now, in this scenario, only one request executed because here we set the condition run second is equal to no, and user defined variable value is set is equal to yes. We can change the request name, get all user, get single user. Now, again, change the value here no to yes. Again, run the test. In this scenario, both requests executed successfully because we set here condition run second is equal yes. That's all about if controller in JMeter. I hope it was easy to understand. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to sqaworld. Thanks for watching.